Okay.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What we have discussed in the last class. Anyone remember? We have completed the reverse of a number. Do we have completed the reverse of a number program?
Yes, ma'am.
Then also we have discussed palindrome, whether the number and its reverse are same or not.
No, ma'am.
We have not discussed the palindrome. Sum of the numbers, sum of the digits of the number.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
your
can you
voice
explain
is
the reverse
breaking,
of
ma'am.
the number once again?
Yes,
Ma'am, your voice is
Reverse
little
of the
bit breaking, ma'am.
numbers.
my voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am, little bit.
Okay.
Up to reverse of numbers only.
We have discussed of the reverse of a number.
We haven't
Ma'am,
studied the
can you
palindrome
explain again
yet.
reverse of number?
I will explain it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Mhm. So I'm just let me share the screen first. Check if the screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay. Okay, so from now onwards, we are going to again discuss some programs based on the while, do while, and for loop. Okay, then we are going to start method. Then I think array. Okay, these are the things we are going to discuss. So, and other things also we are going to discuss. So first we will do the programs or the questions based on your assignment 5, because we have only started the introductory part of the while, do while, and for loop. So we are going to discuss again few programs on while, do while, and for loop. Some of the logic based program. Error is there again. I will open it. Okay, so we will discuss reverse of a number. Sum of the digits हो चुका था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here I am writing down the few programs based on this remainder part. Some of the digit ho gaya tha. To print digit we have also completed. Then palindrome. Okay. Now come to the number reverse. Now let my number is 2, 4, 3, 5, 6 or 2, 4, 3, 5. Now let my number is 2, 4, 3, 5. So I need to print the reverse of a number. So reverse kitna aega? What will be the reverse?
5342.
So 5342, it will be printed. So how we are going to do it? Just check. First we are going to find the remainder of the number. Now in order to compute the remainder, I am going to use 2435. The entire number, उसको किससे divide करेंगे? Divided by 10. And here we are just going to find out the remainder. So modulo operator is being used. So when 2435 mod 10, what will be the output?
5.
Now, here 5 is at which place? Unit place. But we are going to make 5 it at which place?
Thousand place.
Thousands place. So in order to compute the reverse, can I write here? I will store 5, take a variable called reverse. Okay, initialize reverse with 0. Can I write here in this order? Check it. 10 into reverse plus 5. So here what will be the value? Or plus remainder? Sorry. Here I am writing 10 into reverse plus remainder. तो कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? In the next step, what will be the answer? 10 into 0. What will be the value? Now let this one is my reverse. यहाँ पर 0 store है. 10 and let this one is my remainder. Here the value file will be updated. और एक मैं box बना देती हूँ. Now this one here I will have my number. My number is 2435. So 10 into 0 plus 5 कितना हो गया? 5. So reverse यहाँ पर update कितना हो जाएगा? 5 हो गया. Now as we have already extracted 5. हमें अब क्या extract करना है? What is the next thing we need to extract here? 3. So can I break the number in this order? 2435 divided by 10. तो ये integer है. Integer by integer. The result will be integer. तो कितना हो गया? 243. So here the value here will be updated 243. Now my new number here is 243. So can I obtain the remainder again by using the modulo operator? Remainder is 243 mod 10. What will be the value? 3. So again compute the reverse using this given formula. 10 into reverse में कितना store है?
5.
So 10 into 5 plus remainder. What is the value here?
53.
3. So 50 plus 3. It is 53. So my reverse it is updated as 53. देखो तो first value we got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Again compute the new number. Again my number use this formula. यहाँ पर कितना है? 243 divided by 10. What will be the value?
24.
24. It will be updated as 24. Compute the reverse using this formula. 10 into कितना हो जाएगा? Reverse में what is the value?
53.
53 plus remainder. What is the remainder now? 3. So 530 plus 3. Sorry, here
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it should be 4, ma'am.
4 होगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
24, yes. Okay. Just a minute. First compute the remainder. We have not computed remainder. Remainder 24 mod 10. What will be the value? My number here is 24. So we need to compute the remainder. Remainder कितना आ जाएगा? 24 mod 10. What is the value?
4.
4. So remainder
4.
will be updated as 4. Now reverse कितना हो गया? 53 into 10 plus 4. So 530 plus 4. What will be the value?
534.
534. We got first 3 value. Again, number equals to, my number में यहाँ पर कितना अपडेट है? 24 divided by 10 कितना हो गया?
By 10.
24 divided by 10, it will be
2.
question 2 आ गया. So here in number I will update as 2. Again computer the remainder. Number mod 10, तभी remainder कितना आ जाएगा?
2.
2.
So remainder is 2 here. My remainder is 2. As my remainder is true, 2, compute reverse. So in reverse we have 534. So 534 into 10 plus 2. What is the value?
5342.
5342. Okay, now again compute the number. Up 2 divided by 10, what will be the value?
0.
0. Now in number, what we are having? 0.
0.
So as we are having 0 in the number, can it be further find? We can find the remainder.
No, ma'am.
So what is the terminating condition? I am just erasing this part. So what will be the terminating condition?
Number equal to 0.
My terminating condition is while the number is not equals to 0 or greater than 0. So we need to reinitialize. We need to initialize reverse. Reverse में set करेंगे what value? We are going to set it as 0. We will take the input as number. Number input लेंगे. sc.next int. We need to declare the remainder और एक variable declare होगा remainder. So we need to declare it as reverse int remainder. Okay. So while my number is not equals to 0, हमें पहले क्या compute करना है? Remainder. It will be number mod 10. Then we will compute the reverse. Reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Then we will recompute the number. Number is equals to number divided by 10. My loop closes here. So what is the reverse of the number? Println reverse is equals to ref. Are you clear? Sibun, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So now check how we are going to compute the palindrome. Palindrome कैसे compute होगा? Now tell me how we are going to compute the palindrome. Palindrome means if the number is same as its reverse. So palindrome number are 121, 131, 111. These are my palindrome numbers. So how we are going to compute? 101. Okay, 1441. These are my palindrome number. Dekho number and the reverse of the number is 1441. So if the number and its reverse are same, then the number is said to be palindrome. So how we are going to compute palindrome?
Ma'am, we will store the number in a temporary variable, and then we will compute the reverse, and then we will compare it. If they are same, then we will print the number is a palindrome, else the number is not the palindrome.
Very good. Here we are just going to the same program, just a little bit of modification in the code we are going to do. So we are going to declare int reverse is equals to 0, number, int remainder, and we will take a variable n. So here println, enter number. So num is equals to next int and update n is equals to okay, while my number is not equals to 0, remainder is equals to number mod 10, reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus remainder, number is equals to number divided by 10. Then if number is, sorry, here we are going to write if reverse is equals to n, as we have already stored the number in the variable n. So print ln number is palindrome, else print not palindrome. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we are going to compute the reverse as well as the palindrome of a number. So next we are going to check how we are going to find the factorial of a number. We have not done the factorial.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. This part have you done? Should I erase the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Factorial of a number. So what is the value of 5 factorial?
125.
How you are computing the factorial? How it is being represented?
5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial, I think. So what is the value of 1 factorial or 0 factorial?
1.
Okay, remember this point. The value for 1 factorial is 1, as well as the value for 0 factorial is also 1. So what you are doing here? यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हो? Basically, 5 factorial is what? 5 into
4 factorial.
4 factorial. Again, 4 factorial is written as 4 into 3 factorial.
3 factorial.
3 factorial is 3 into 2 factorial. 2 is 2 into 1 factorial. So here the value for 1 factorial is 1. So here we are just multiplying 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or the other way how we can proceed? 1 into 2 factorial, then 2 into 3 factorial, then 3 into 4 factorial, then 4 into, sorry, not 4 into 5. In this order, we can also proceed, isn't it? As we know the value of 5 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So we can go in this way or we can go in this way. This is most appropriate way, isn't it? In order to compute the factorial. So how we are going to do it? ये क्या है? Consecutive numbers का क्या है?
Multiplication.
What you are doing basically here? Consecutive numbers को क्या कर रहे हो?
Multiply कर रहे हैं.
You are multiplying the consecutive numbers. So can I use a variable as fact?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the initial value that I should provide to the fact?
1.
Initialize, we can initialize it as 1. As we are going to do multiplication, 1 रखेंगे. अगर addition होता तो क्या initialize करते?
0.
0.
0. So int n. Now again it will be inputted by the user. N is equals to sc.next int. So we will proceed in this way. Okay. So proceed करेंगे तो terminating condition क्या है? कब तक हम लोग factorial compute करेंगे? Until and unless my n value is
1.
1. So while n is not equals to 1. Okay. I don't know whether it will be correct or wrong. So we are going to do the execution pattern. Then we will confirm it. Okay. While n is greater than equals to 1 or not equals to 1 should be rated.
Greater than equal to would be better.
Okay, then I will rate it here as n is greater than equals to 1. Okay, then what we need to do here? Fact equals to
Fact into
n. Then which value I am going to update?
N value.
N minus minus.
N minus minus. Okay, let me check whether what we have written is right or wrong. So here I will take n.
Ma'am, it
N
will be
greater-
wrong.
Okay, we will check it. We will check it again. We will remodify
Fact
the
will-
code.
Ma'am, also fact will get lesser, no? The fact will also get diminished. So, ma'am, we
Okay,
haven't used fact minus minus. Ma'am.
Okay, we will check it. Okay, if it is wrong, then we will change our logic. Okay. Now check what is the n
Yes,
value
ma'am.
initially. What is the value of n initially?
It is
5 greater than equals to, now let here I have inputted the value of n as 5. Now 5 greater than equals to 1, it is
true.
true. So if it is true, what we are going to compute? Fact equals to fact into n, means 1 into 5. So what will be the value at fact?
5.
5. N minus 5 minus 1. What is the value? 5 minus 1 here is 4. Again check 4 greater than equals to 1. Condition is true. So compute fact. So 5 into 4 कितना हो गया? 20. So 4 minus 1 it is 3. Now check 3 greater than equals to 1. Condition is true. So 20 into 3. What will be the value? Twenty into 3, 60. So fact will be updated with 60. 2 greater than equals to 1. Condition is true. So if the condition is true, fact into n. So fact में अभी कितना है तुम्हारा? What is the value at fact? Kamru.
16.
So 60 into 2 it is 120. 2 minus 1 it is 1. 1 greater than equals to
Now
1.
120 into 1.
Again it is true. So 120 into 1, what will be the value?
120.
120.
1 minus 1, it is 0. 1 greater than equals to 0. Condition is?
Ma'am, it's 0 greater than equal to 1.
0 greater than equals to 1. Condition here is?
Now it will break.
False. So if it is false, what we are going to print? Print ln? कौन सा वैल्यू प्रिंट होगा?
Fact.
Factorial is okay. So otherwise we can do in this way. Check it. ये भी हो सकता है. So int fact is equals to 1. Int n is equals to sc dot next int while और एक ले लो यहाँ पर count और I set I as 1. I is less than equals to 1. Fact equals to fact into I, then I equals to I plus 1. Print ln, sorry here, I is less than equals to n. Print ln fact. Can this thing will be possible? Check it. We can write in this order also. It will multiply from where? It will start multiplied from 1 to 1 से लेके कहां तक मल्टीप्लाई करेगा? 5 तक. Okay. It will do the multiplication in the reverse order. Is it clear? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do one question.
मैम
Hmm.
मैम अगर कोई बड़ा डिजिट का फैक्टोरियल निकालना हो तो
बोलो.
मैम वैसे में उसका जो स्पेस है उससे तो पार हो जाएगा ना.
Long लेना. Take the data type as long. Six factorial, you can compute 6 factorial. ओके 6 फैक्टोरियल कितना हो जाएगा?
मैम लेकिन यहाँ पे एक एरर नहीं आएगा कि n यूज नहीं हुआ?
Clips you check it. No error will be there. Okay. देखो, you got the value? So if I'm going to write here int I equals to 1 also, there is no problem. Here the condition will be I क्या हो जाएगा? Less than equals to n. And here this value will be fact into I. And here I value will be
Incremented by 1.
incremented. Okay. So when I will run the code also, you will get that same 120. Now suppose I want to compute here 10 factorial. Check whether you are getting the result or not. You are getting it. ये कितना डिजिट हो गया देखो तो 3 3 6 1 7 20 फैक्टोरियल. देखो क्या आंसर आ गया. यू गॉट द नंबर इन. नंबर किस में आ रहा है? नेगेटिव आ रहा है. सो इट इज एक्सीडिंग द 10 डिजिट से ज्यादा एक्सीड हो रहा है. ओके. सो फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज लॉन्ग. अगर लॉन्ग यूज करेंगे सो लॉन्ग का साइज कितना है? व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ लॉन्ग?
64 bit.
64 bits. So it will accept a larger number. If the number is again larger than this number of bits, okay, now suppose you need to compute the factorial for 100 factorial compute करना है, then you need to change the data type. Okay.
मैम 100 के लिए कौन सा फिर डेटा टाइप यूज करना होगा?
Big integer एक है. Big integer is there. A wrapper class is there. Big integer. For 100 you can use that one. Okay. Well, we are going to do in the lab. I will show it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now next question. Try the next question. Where is my whiteboard? ये बंद हो जा रहा है क्या अपने आप? So I am just erasing the screen. So I will give you one question. Just try to do it. Then I will discuss few important questions on the loop. Now try to write this one. X by n factorial. Can you do it? Can you do this one? Can you do it or I will do it? Gurman? Yes?
X is any variable. We have to compute x by 10.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
You need to compute the n factorial value. Okay. So here the question is, sorry, I am x to the power n by n factorial. You need to compute x to the power n by n factorial. Okay, here what you need to, हाँ, यहाँ पर क्या निकालना है तुम्हें? First you need to find the value of
n factorial.
n factorial. And you need to find the value of x to the power.
Ma'am, can we do it simultaneously?
You are not supposed to use math.power function.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can we do it simultaneously?
Can you? You can do it simultaneously. Okay, but you are not supposed to use math.power function. Are you doing or should I do it?
I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay, then do it. How is your exam? Over? Have you completed it? बन गया सबका?
I'm trying it.
Okay. Yes, you are correct. Someone has already sent me. Occurs, you are correct. You can use a single loop also.
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying with a single loop.
Yes. Yes, you are correct. X to the power. Oh, xn by fact, yes. Yes, Haris, you are correct. Mika. Yes, Mika, you are correct. You have taken two loops. Two different loops. Yes, Mika, you are correct. Okay. Anyone? Anyone who have tried this code? So here a little bit of modification. Here let my n value is 5. I will declare it as int. Take a variable int x is equals to, let we will use 2. Yeah, these are the user inputs we can go with. So xn, I will set it as 1. So fact equals to fact into I. यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? X equals to xn into x. Is it correct? You are correct. उसे बाहर लिखो. You have computed the value, write it outside the loop. Asutosh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write it outside the loop. Compute the value of x val divided by जो fact लिखे हो ना, just write it outside the loop. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
यहाँ पर double value equals to क्या होगा? xn divided by fact. Now typecast one of the value to double. Otherwise you will get the result in पर 0 आ सकता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you want to print whatever you have done is correct or not, here you can write one statement, system.out.println fact. Okay, and check the value of 2 to the power 5 whether it is correct or not. xn. देखो, factorial is 120 and this one is 32. 2 to the power 5 is 32. So result here is 0.2666. If you are not going to use double, then what will happen? You will get the answer in terms of
Integer.
0. देखो, you will get the answer in terms of 0 because integer by integer, the result will be integer. Okay, now you will get 0.2666. Are you clear? Are you clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will move to the next question. The few important questions of the looping program. Most important questions of the looping program. So we have already discussed this one. Just recall it. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 discuss किए थे ना?
Yes, ma'am.
This is, we have already discussed 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. ये वाला भी discuss हुआ था ना सीरीज का?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this one 1 minus 3, 5 minus 7, 9. We have already discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are again going to have a focus on sine series and cos series. Sine series and cos series. So these are the important questions. Program sine series and cos series. So what is the sine series? Sine series क्या है? कौन याद है किसको? Anyone remember sine series? Anything? किसी को भी याद है साइन सीरीज? What this series is called as, just tell me. What this one? This one is which series?
Sine series.
Okay, so this one is sine series. I think you have also, so in sine series, here we are going to do this series using a single loop. एक ही लूप में बनाएंगे. We have discussed a number of things from the series. हम लोग डिस्कस ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. One, we have already discussed how we are going to generate this value. Okay, we have discussed how we are going to generate x to the power n by n factorial. Right now we have discussed, isn't it? Okay, so using this two, we are going to find the sum of the series. Now here, ये देखो sum of the series हमें generate करना है. So I will just do, first of all, we are going to check how to compute the logic. So यहाँ पर सब क्या है? What are the terms of the series? Are these the even terms or odd terms? You just tell me.
Odd terms.
These are all my odd terms. Okay, so each term is interdependent with the one another. So first check it how I am going to do it. ये क्या है? X है. So here X means what will be the value of n here is? N का value कितना है? और ले लो I ले लो. What is the value of I? X to the power I, let it be. So what is the value of I here?
1.
1. So x to the power 1 is only x. So this value of I here is 3. So as the value of I here is 3, can I write in this way? X to the power I by I factorial. देखो, can I write in this way? Can it be written in this order? देखो तो, check this one, x to the power 5 by 5. Can I write in this way?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. X to the power 7. Divided by 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, 1. Can I write in this way? Here my I value is 5. Here my I value is 7. Here my I value is 9. I'm erasing these things. So what are the common things you are finding it? Can you do any guess? Now check it. X to the power 3. Now this part here is as it is. And this part is, ये कहाँ से आया है? Previous one. Similarly, x to the power 5 by 5 factorial. So this part and this part is, बाकी rest कहाँ से आ गया है? Rest is coming from the previous one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again check, this part is new and this the entire thing is coming from the previous part. So this one is here as it is and this entire term is coming from the, कहाँ से आ गया? Previous one. So if x to the power I by I factorial, how we can write it? Can I write in this way? Into previous value. देखो तो, is this formula is correct? Can I write the formula in this way? X to the power I by I factorial. So when my I value is 5, so I का value जब 5 होगा, put it in the formula. X to the power 5 by 5 factorial. तो कितना आ रहा है? I value 5 है, into I minus 1, it is 4. Previous term. So what is the previous term?
X to the power 3
3
by
by 3 factorial. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I use only this formula in order to compute the entire series? Can I use this formula in order to compute the entire series?
Yes, ma'am.
This will only use to find out which value, this factorial, ये compute करेगा. ठीक है, और एक वेरिएबल लेंगे, कौन सा? लेट वी आर टेकिंग सम. तो सम क्या करेंगे? सम प्लस x to the power I by I factorial. Can I write in this order? In order to compute this value, can I write in this order? will not in hurry. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Are you clear up to this point?
मैम
Have you
सम प्लस करें तो सारा ऐड होगा ना?
हाँ, sum plus this value I fact x to the power I by I factorial. When my I value is 1, वो प्लस माइनस फिर डालेंगे ना, we will generate the even odd जो प्लस एंड माइनस वैल्यू. So initially first I'm just finding out these values. ये सबको हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Every even odd terms को
ऐड कर
रहे हैं. तो can I write in this order? यहाँ पर 1 हो गया तो क्या होगा? Sum plus x to the power 1. Now let my here I value is 5. तो क्या ऐड करेगा? Sum plus x to the power 1 by 1 factorial. उसके बाद then x to the power 5 by
5 factorial.
up to 5 factorial ऐड करेगा. सही है कि नहीं है?
यस मैम.
एक तो हम लोग लेंगे one thing we are going to take in order to find out x to the power I by I factorial. Another we will take the sum in order to add all the terms of the series. Okay. So all these things can be put together in a loop. ये सारा चीज को हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We are going to put it in a loop. And what is the other thing? Sine series. Is there any particular up to we are going to generate up to 5th term or 7th term or 8th term तक कुछ है? Or these are the all infinite series ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the next class we will discuss how we are going to find the sine series. So without using that math dot sin x function, using this logic. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you
ma'am.
all. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.